Step 1. Go to the System menu, select Factory Default, and then choose Reset. Press OK to confirm. The projector will reset, display a Reset Successful message, and then prompt you that it is powering off. Next, you'll follow the prompts to set up the projector's position. Select your language, adjust any necessary 3D keystone settings, and finally, repair the remote with the projector. Press the OK button to confirm. The projector screen will briefly go black for a few seconds before returning you to the main input selection screen.